Everybody, today topic is information retrieval. What is information retrieval? For example, you take your human brain. This is a whatever you have learned, reading or writing, are based on storing your mind, your brain, storing your database. Example, your brain. That is called information retrieval. You can store this place whenever you want. You can get the information from your brain. So, for example, next one. So this is a for example. You take this your brain. The first one is coordination and vision, reading, language, body awareness, taste and this is a taste and touch and pressure, motion, motor control and concentrate, planning and problem solving, and speech. This is a smell, hearing, facial recognition. This is a place of facial. Suppose you forgot your members, you can identify based on your face. Whenever suppose you can leave from our institution now in this year, after 10 years back you can come back to our institution. I would recognize based on my brain. This is a face recognition. This is a human braining part. Next one. So this is a all humans are mentioned that place. Next one. Agenda. This is information. What is information retrieval and history and problem and structure and unstructure and challenges and application. Next one. So what is information retrieval? The information retrieval is activity of obtaining information resources relevant to an information need from a collection of information resources, or the process of actively seeking out of information relevant to the topic of interest, or the information retrieval is finding material of unstructured nature that satisfy an information need from within large collection your database. Example, library references and searches. Next one. This is a client searching and information retrieval. This is a client searching and information retrieval. Next one. This is a information retrieval architecture. In IR's architecture, the first user. This is a user query and query operations and execute retrieval system. The retrieval system sent to a document index, verify your index and based on your document collections. After getting information, the document collection and sent to indexer, the index is sent to document indexer, the document index sent to your retrieval system. Suppose the query is wrong, or query is wrong means you can send reprocess your system, reprocess your system. And suppose the answer is getting from your document index, retrieve from user. Suppose the query is wrong, I can send to rework, reprocess send to your client side. Example, your ATM bank ATM system. You can suppose you can enter the ATM center and insert your card into machine. The machine accepted based on first one and your pin number. The pin number is accepted. The pin number accept, you can go to next process. If the pin number is not accepted and sorry, the pin number is incorrect. Sorry, the pin number incorrect. That is process of IR system. Next one. So this is acquisition, modeling, analysis. First you can draw material and manage resources, the extraction of data, retrieval from data and mining of data and visualization of your data. That is called information retrieval system. Next one. In this concern with collection, representation, storage, organization and accessing, manipulation and display of the information, items necessary to satisfy those needs. This is called information retrieval system. Another one, information is a retrieval life cycle. This is a information in retrieval life cycle. First source selection, resources sent to query formulation, the query sent to searching sent to selection, the selection sent to examination and delivery your documents. This is the information retrieval cycle your area. Next one, history. The idea of using computer to search relevant piece of information was popularized article As We May Think by V. Push 1945. The statistical machine filed by Immanuel Goldberg in the 1920. After 30s, the search for document stored in the film and automated information retrieval system were introduced 1950. This is a history of information retrieval system. Next one. Problem. The process large documents collection quickly and allow more flexible matching operation and allow rank retrieval. This is next one. This is a structure and unstructured process. First one is a 80% business relevant information originated in unstructured form and primarily on text. And this is structure oriented. This is called structure oriented. This is called unstructured oriented. Example: how many of you wear the shirt red color? Please raise your hands. This is called structure. This is called unstructured process. This is a definition of your structure oriented and unstructured oriented. Next one. Structured data. Clear and semantically. Unstructured data. Data does not have any clear and semantically shown openly. Example: product inventory and personal record. There are three scale points, which one is web search, another one is personal information retrieval, and next one domain specific search. Next one, web search and personal information and retrieval and domain specific search. First one is web search. Billion of documents stored in on million of computers based on indexing, work efficiency, handling particular aspects of web. Next one, personal information and domain specific search and consumer operating system, maintain needs and sufficient disk space need. Next one, domain specific, corporation internal documents and database parent and research and journals. All the documents are stored in centralized file system. These are centralized file system. Next one, this is a web search architecture life cycle. First one is a example. This is a internet and spreading and IR engine. After you go to classifier and you are clustering and summarized, and after web guide characteristics sites and search engine is category builder. After you are coming here and category descriptor tree and category builder, and each and every files are separately and categorized and stored in your database. After based on request, you can send your detail. Next one, application. This text search and ad search, image and video search, and email search and question answering system, recommended system, desktop search, expecting find. All are based on retrieving relevant document to a query and retrieving from large set of document efficiency. Next one. This is the advantage and disadvantages of IR system. One is advantages: result are predictable, easy to explain, many different features can be incorporated, eliminate process easy from search. And disadvantages: complex query difficult, simple queries usually do not work well, and effectiveness depends on user. Next one, activity. You can what is this is a connection? What is that? Answer: information retrieval. This is a information. All are called information. This is a file took from if one of the rack, so it's called retrieval. So based on ID number, so it's called information retrieval. Dash is the activity obtaining information resources, relevant information need from collection of information resource. It's called information retrieval. Thank you.